What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So today's video, like I said in yesterday's video, we're gonna get back to work on some work for this block, and this video is pretty cool and I'm excited to do this video. Anybody can do this from home, no tools really, just some sandpaper, some wax, brake clean, a pair of gloves, shoelace or something, microcloth. That's really all you need for this one, and it will save you guys some money. So in this video, we're going to go ahead and do a DIY at home crank polishing. So I was going to take this crank to the machine shop and everything and have them polish it and all this stuff, but I'm like, I have a YouTube channel. Why don't I just make a video of doing it at home, save the money, and that money we could put towards other stuff for the built engine. So that's what we're going to do. Real simple. And I know this crank is good. It came out of a good running engine, and I've had it checked out before because I was going to use this crank in the engine that's in the Accord now, but then I just picked up a complete rotating assembly and just took it apart, threw some bearings in it, and cleaned it up and sent it, which is the engine that's in the car now. So I know this crank is good. So yeah, we're going to do a DIY at home crank polishing. So to do this, I went ahead and already cut down my pieces of sandpaper that I need. So you'll need 800, 1,000, and 1,200 grit. And then your choice of polishing compound. Pair of gloves if you don't want to get your hands dirty. Brake clean. And some type of lubricant or something like that. I don't have WD-40 or nothing here, unfortunately. I thought I did, but I don't. But it's all good. I'm just going to use some water or something like that, or Purple Power. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so as you can see, I got my crank here set up on jack stands. First thing you'll want to do is just go ahead and get some brake clean or something, and around all your journals here and everything, go ahead and clean it down. Make sure there's no dirt or debris or anything on your crank, so don't leave no scoring on your journals of your crank. Got me a rag as well. So let's go ahead and just give a little wipe down everywhere. Alright, so after you go ahead and get your crank cleaned up of any debris and stuff that's on your journals, pretty much done for the most part in this segment of the video with your brake clean. Go ahead and get that out of the way. And then go ahead and get your sandpaper. I'm going to start at 800 and I work my way up from 800 grit to 1200 grit. And the concept is pretty simple. You're just going to wrap it around like this. Right? You don't got to be crazy tight. You don't want to apply a lot of pressure, none of that stuff. Just make sure it's cut to fit and it's pretty snug on there and all that. So, and what you're looking to do is just give it a nice polish, so it's nice and shiny and clean, and then that will eliminate this here. So before we do that, we got to get this wet. So let's get to that. And let's put some gloves on, because this is going to be messy. Alright, got my gloves on. You're going to want like a rope or shoelace or something. I'm just using this here from my camera. I don't use it, so this will be plenty good for me. Go ahead and cut this down right here, so we don't have all that extra stuff in the way. Now you have a nice clean area piece that you can use. Go ahead and grab, like I said, WD-40 or PB Blaster would be better. But this is what I have here, and it's a lubricant, and that's all that matters. So go ahead and put some there. I'm going to start in this middle one right here. Get that in there. Wrap it around. So. You'll get your rope that you're going to use. Just like so. And then start going side to side like that. Jack stands weren't working out, guys. So the 800, we move up to 1,000 grit. And after the 1,000, we move up to 1,200. Alright, now you'll get your brake clean again. So as you guys can see here, how it's more clean looking, doesn't have the line through the middle, none of that stuff. And then from here, you'll want to go ahead and polish it, and I'll show you how to do that. Alright, so you all can see how these have like the dark line in the middle and all that. And this one now is nice, clean, smooth, all that, you know. So now what we'll go ahead and do is get this puppy polished, and it'll look shiny and everything. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and do now. Get your microfiber, whatever compound you're gonna use, and put some around the crank. Pretty much the same concept. Get your microfiber on this puppy. Hold the crank down and just go ahead and start polishing it. And then, like that, you have your polished crank. So very, very time consuming. I mean, you're gonna have 3-4 hours into doing all this for sure, you know, but if you look nice, clean and smooth, shiny, you can see your reflection. These you can't. So yeah, I hope this information is useful for some of y'all. I'm not gonna record me doing the whole entire crank, because I'm gonna be here for hours and stuff. And like I said, by the time I get time to be able to come out here, work on anything, it's already like 4 or 5 o'clock. Then I gotta edit the video and all that stuff and still be able to post it before it's 1 o'clock in the morning. I'll definitely get this done after I get done editing and stuff. Step closer to getting this built engine right there put together for this car. So if y'all did enjoy this video, please smash that like button. This information was useful for y'all, let me know down in the comments, and we're gonna keep pushing, keep chugging along and trying to get this car done as soon as possible. So yeah, I'm tired. That's some work right there. It's definitely better with 2 people, someone that can help hold the crank or something. Shoelace will work best. I don't have a shoelace, I wear Crocs, so yeah. And WD-40s are good, will be good. It's like probably the best thing to use, Peak Blaster or WD-40. I don't have any of that here, but with what I have and what I used, worked fine, came out great. I'm happy with it. enough talking. That's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If so, do sure to smash that thumbs up button. We will catch you on the next one. Peace out and God bless.